Okay, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami box with open flaps. Then I'm going to show you how to design them before you start folding, where you have to design and color them before you start folding, so you can customize them the way you want to. Also show you how to make like this different flaps. It's very simple and easy. So let's get started. First, take a square piece of paper and just make these creases, fold it in half, like vertically, horizontally, and then diagonally on both sides. So you have these 4 creases. Now fold it again like this, and fold this like that, turn it over. This is a square base. Okay, just make sure that the open flap is facing upwards and fold it here. Now open this up and just fold this. Now fold it again one side, then turn it over, do the same thing also the other side. Okay, and now fold, see these 2 points, fold it, just crease it, the other side also just crease it. Okay, now fold this again. And we're almost done. Now fold this to cut at these points here. And there you have it. All that's left is to open it. Just open this slowly. And there you have it. It's done. Now to design your box before you start folding, just make first the creases I told you before, and using these points as references. So like, just to show you, I just draw a line here. So the flaps will be around in this area. Be just above this line. So just color this area for the flaps. Just do the same thing on the 4 sides, here, here, and here. And for the body, like this area, just if you want to like color it green, maybe using these points again as references. Okay, So the body will be around just above this whole area here. Just this whole area will be like the body, and these will be the flaps. Just this area, just color them however you want to, and you have something like this, blue and green. And when you fold, just make sure that the flaps are facing upwards and the body is facing down. Just start folding again the way I showed you before, and you have it. And to make these flaps, it's very easy actually. Just like for this one, you see the original is like this, so you just fold this like this once, and then again, and there you have it. Same thing for this one, just make it bigger and fold it, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, I'll be making a website soon, and if you want your boxes to be featured, then send me the pictures of your boxes to origami.ezz@gmail.com, and I'll feature them on my website. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.